Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. So today I'll be sharing how to enable phantom power for the channels. So take note that this is a Dante enabled digital mixers. And today we shall focus solely on the phantom power directly on the board itself. For the preamp on the stage box, that will be different kind of method to enable and disable the 48 volt phantom power. So today we will be talking about how we want to turn on and turn off the phantom power for the preamps in this machine. Basically, there is a button of 48 volt phantom power here, or you can go to under the assign page. There's a 48 volt here, so you can click either one. So once you click it, it will bring you to the phantom power page, and you can choose whichever channel that you want to turn on the phantom power. So for example, I want to turn on the channel 1, and it will prompt you a message, are you sure you want to turn on 48 volt phantom power? So press yes, and you just turn on the channel 1 phantom power. So this is how we want to turn on and off the phantom power for the preamps for this machine. That's all, and see you. Bye bye.